Thank you for servicing your vehicle at Brendale. This video will outline the drop-off procedure throughout the day. To avoid delays and congestion, please adhere to your check-in time. If you have a loan vehicle booked, please have your physical driver's license available. For early bird drop-off, enter the main driveway and park in the marked area. Fill out the drop-off form found on the wall. Place the form with your keys in the drop box. Please bring a pen with you as stationery may not be available at this hour. For our driveway service 7:30 to 8:30 am, enter the main driveway and proceed to the staff and high vis. Follow the driveway to the end, U-turn and park in 2 lines under the awning. Remain in the comfort of your vehicle until the advisor starts serving at 7:30. For drop-off after 8:30, park in the marked area and enter into the service reception here.